Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. So I have the Coach unboxing. This is the cherry collection. So I have 4 items and let's see what I got. Y'all, this is an actual unboxing. I did not see it yet. I mean, of course I've seen everything online, but this is a true unboxing. Okay. So first, let's see this. I have the coin purse here, the coin pouch. And I think this was this $39? And this is just called the Heart CC Signature in Cherry. I'm excited to see this, y'all. I really wanted him. Oh, he's so cute. So I got him the little bear keychain. So cute. And this one was too much, $95, but I just had to have him. Has the gold eyes and the nose and the little Coach little chain there. So cute. Okay, and then keep picking up that knife. I don't need that knife. Oh, look at that. Y'all know I love me some corner zip wallets. So pretty. Let's see what bag I got. Okay, this is my first bag in this size. Da-da. Okay, let me see how I'm gonna like this. Okay. Okay, so I have 2 large Rowans, and this is my first regular size Rowan. Trying to decide how I like this size. I think getting a large one first kind of make me feel like this is kind of small. Should I keep it? I'm really trying to decide on this, y'all. Ah, it's pretty. And then I have the large one with this same print. Yeah, I don't know. It's so pretty though. But it seems like it's so small compared to my 2 other Rowans. Yeah, what should I do? Should I send this back? My large one has the same print. Let me go get it, y'all. Let me go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So this is my large one. And then this is this. It kind of like don't make sense. It's the same print. except it has cherries on it. And this is smaller. What do y'all think? Comment down below. And then this one has feet and this one doesn't, of course. Okay, y'all. So I don't know about this. It is pretty, but I don't know if I'm keeping this. So, but I do love the cherry collection. It is beautiful, but it seems like it's just not making any sense for me to have both of these bags. Okay. So comment down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good one.